Okay, just arrived at the Waterfront Inn in Port Townsend for the Wooden Boat Festival. The room is pretty basic. Got a shower and bath, or a toilet in there, and then we've got the dressing table and sink out here in the room. No closet, just a hanger. But on the other hand, a big surprise here. I didn't really think I'd have a view. I'm gonna go out on the balcony here and see what kind of picture I can take. Okay, this is the view from the balcony, looking out into the sound. Got boats anchored out there. I'm sure the marina is probably full. I'm surprised that I can actually see across here. It's been raining and pretty foggy today. Same with my zoom here. Another benefit to the room is that I get to see all the local boats coming in and out of the marina. The entrance is right here in front of my room. This might be half a mile or so from where I'm staying. You can just see all of the boats out here anchored. These are the ones obviously that are visiting because they don't have a spot in the marina. But it's quite a sight. It's pretty cool. You can see it's kind of foggy this evening.
Well, I just come across it.
Okay, it's Sunday morning. You can see the tide is out. We've still got all of the boats out here ready for the last day of the festival. And we've got some human-powered craft also here. I'm thinking we may have a club of some kind. There's lots of folks out here now. And I thought we'd catch somebody that's really confident on their stand-up paddleboard, paddling there with a backpack. And we're probably at least a mile from the marina where they're headed. And we've got another big batch of people out there. All kinds of craft. Thought I'd try out my little mini tripod here. See how that works.
This one has have little details. You see this here beginning. Oh.
Okay, 106 months. A month, less than 72 hours. Less than 72 hours. And you gotta really feel this thing to appreciate it, right? By the way, TA said, will not let me fly with this. I gotta put it in luggage all the time. But we know that
Well, that's great.
Like I said, more junk in the way. Well, Bill, do you want to take a little stroll? Sleep well. All right.
This boat is from Honolulu. He said they did sail it here, and it took about 3 weeks. Beautiful, beautiful boat. This is a Nordic folk boat. I was told they were popular in Scandinavia, especially in the 60s. People were building them themselves and using them similar to what we in the 60s in the U.S. used our station wagons. Pile all the kids in the wagon and take off for a trip. And there's a little houseboat. It's for sale. Really cute.
So I've got a 28, my original boat. That's the one I'm going to keep. It needs work, but I'm trying to keep up. No, no, one boat's enough, man. This one.
Yeah, these are some stores. That's usually what it's like about it. I want to see the rest of the boat.
And the original owner of this one sailed her twice across the Atlantic and lived on her for 14 years. This is full-time liveaboard. It's 59 feet. This is the forecastle. You got the head with the shower. Another bunk. Dining area. Just overheard it's 428 square feet. There's a wood-burning stove. Really cool. Oh, nice oven, stove, fridge. Really neat. And there it is from the outside, 59 feet in length.
Did you take some pictures? I did. Okay.
And this is a two-master with 5 sails. Another beautiful boat.
It's just the adventurous I've got on.
Did you ever see a wild goose sailing o'er the ocean? Run, Toby boy!
Lucky thing or beverage thing? If you want to come.
Headed that way, headed that way. Woo! Harbor Master, this is the holiday. Hey, boy! Hey, see you next year. Oh, next year.
they must be headed out. They got Starlink up there. Beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. Wow. That's something else.
That's one of my favorites.
Fire your crew?
Must smell bad or something.
What's the deal?
Made them walk the gangplank.
Beautiful boat.
That one or the big one with the lights on it?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. It's not bad.
It's way.
It's not even. That's right.
And that's the ferry to Whidbey Island, Coopville, from Port Townsend here.
Ready? Push? Yeah, push. I'm going to push you too here on your back. Sorry? This good? Ready? Hands up. Good? Good. That's good? That's good. Okay. Well up? No, you're happy again? From the push, or you're happy to push. Good. Okay. Break it. Your stern is perfect. Right now.
Then at 5 o'clock, it was $5.
We're close. Probably 5
And then it closes at 6.
Last evening, we'll be leaving here in the morning. The festival is done. Okay, it's Monday morning and getting ready to leave here shortly. And we've got a beautiful day, looks like it, forming up here. Best weather since I've been here. Now that I'm leaving, of course. Beautiful morning, very calm.